Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to video 5 of this 0 to 10K challenge. In this video, we're actually going to show you how to start selecting products to promote and what your brand should really look like from a 10,000 foot perspective. So as you can see here, I've got a little mind map going on here. And in the center, it says Authentic Marketer. There's one thing that I want you guys to understand. Your product is not your business. The affiliate product that you are promoting or that you want to promote right now is not your business. So many people get attached to one business, one income stream, one product, and they don't realize that that income stream, that product could be here today, gone tomorrow. It could be converting today and then stop converting tomorrow. So what we want to do is we want to create symbiotic multiple streams of income. We want income coming from many different directions because you're going to have times where one offer doesn't convert, but because you have other streams of income, you can maintain and even increase your income. One of the realities that they don't tell you about affiliate marketing is for most people, their income goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, and it doesn't really stay at a specific consistent level because offers come and go, because product launches are hot one day and then not the next day. And so with affiliate marketing, we want to solve that problem by having our central brand and then different income streams that branch off from that central hub, aka that central brand. So in my case, my brand is the Authentic Marketer. And what we do here is we teach people how to start and grow an online business through tools, systems, and programs. So you can see that I've got my tools over here. So specifically on like my Facebook fan page, on my email list, on my YouTube channel, I will be promoting these different specific income streams, these different tools. So ClickMagick is a tracking tool that helps track where, sales are coming from online. What I can do is obviously use that in my own business, but then I can re-promote it, resell it to other people and make a handsome commission off of that. Okay, so you got all the tools, whether it be a tracking tool, it be website development, hosting like Bluehost, autoresponders. I have a category of tools where I could be promoting so many of these different products. And the cool thing about using something like YouTube is that when a video lives on YouTube, it's evergreen. I still have videos today that have made sales for me for the past 5 years that I put up 5 years ago. So for example, imagine creating a tutorial video around tracking and why you need a tracking tool inside your business, right? If you're in my market. And imagine that you put that up a few years ago and, now it's been, 3, 4, 5 years and that video is still selling for you. That tutorial that you had made is still bringing in income for you. That's the cool thing about YouTube because people will always need a tracking tool to track where their sales are coming from unless something crazy happens. And they're going to be going to Google or YouTube to type in, how do I track my sales? Or what are the best tracking tools? Or ClickMagick review, right? They're going to be typing in these different keywords, and you could very well, be the person to rank at the top of the search engine. And when I say keywords as well, that just means simply search phrases in SEO terms. So a search phrase that they're typing into the search engine. So tools is just one section. Then we have programs. Like affiliate programs out there that are related to my niche. A couple examples here are Super Affiliate Network and Entre. Then we have systems like FunnelX ROI, and I'm going to be adding other, income streams to this. So I wanted you to, as homework, I want you to create a mind map that's like this, where you've got your different tools, systems, programs, and I want you to brainstorm what type of tools you stand by, that you like, that you've used, that you would like to end up promoting to other people. So you might want to spend a lot of time brainstorming this and going over it. If you have no idea what to promote, I would encourage you to click the first link below. That's going to take you to a series of videos that I've created that talks about affiliate networks and how to find offers, like on ClickBank, on JVZoo, on Commission Junction, PureFly, these other affiliate networks. We'll go into detail about what affiliate networks are and everything. So that'll at least give you a broad range of products to choose from. And then you can kind of create a mind map out of that. Once you find some products that you're like, you know what, I could probably stand by these products, then create that mind map. And then what we will begin doing is we will begin creating content around these specific tools right here. So ClickMagick, what would somebody type in to the search engine, to find a tracking tool? What type of problems would they have? What would somebody type in the search engine that wanted to learn more about autoresponders, that needed an autoresponder, right? So these are the different topics that we will be talking about on our YouTube channel. On Facebook, it's going to be a little bit different because Facebook is not a search engine. So the way that we market on Facebook is going to be different than the way we market on YouTube. Okay, so I'm not limited to what the options that I have here. This is just based off of my current knowledge. So based off of your current knowledge, how can you categorize the different, things that people will need inside of whatever niche you're in? So I understand in the online marketing niche, people need tools, they need systems, and they need programs, specifically to like affiliate marketing. So another great example, just because I know a lot of you guys, you might want to go into a different niche, a different market. Dr. Axe, this guy is a great example of an amazing brand. And I've known about him for the past few years. He really teaches a lot about gut health, a lot about health and wellness. And if you go to any like Whole Foods store or organic supermarket, you're going to see a lot of his stuff. And so what I did is I went to his website and I sort of reverse engineered his brand, right? So the best thing that you can do if you want to succeed at a faster rate is to stand on the shoulders of giants. Piggyback off of what other successful people are doing, even if it's in a different industry. So Dr. Axe, he's got, different programs, right? He's got merchandise, essential oils, and supplements. I actually added merchandise. He doesn't have any specific like merchandise or swag or anything like that, but that's something that I've seen other people do with other brands. And this is something that he could probably do to even make more money on his brand, but it's not a must. This is kind of as just to show you as a kind of a case study. So he does have programs, essential oils, and supplements. So if you go to his website and you go under shop, you can see supplements, essential oils, and so on and so forth. So if we jump back over here, and you can see if we go to the supplements area, if we were to go there on the website over here, then you're going to see that he has collagen protein, bone broth protein, and digestive enzymes. And the reason why I put programs over here, you're not going to see it on his website, but I remember seeing an ad a little while back where he had a webinar and he was selling an info product that taught people how to heal their gut, how to improve gut health. Now, I'm not seeing it on his website right now, but I do remember seeing that in the past. So what he's doing is he's diversifying. Now, if you are a product creator, you can make a lot of money just selling one product. But as an affiliate marketer, since you're promoting other people's products and the price points are different and you don't have full control over the sales material and everything, that's why you need multiple streams of income in case something happens to one stream, you got other income streams to fall back on. And so, although, Dr. Axe sells his own products, this is just a good example of how you should be building your brand and your business as well. Okay, so whatever market you're in his case, he's got, programs, he's got essential oils, he's got supplements. Those are kind of like his three main categories. And once again, I added merchandise because that's probably something that he can do. If he created t-shirts that had his brand name on them, which was, I think if I go to like shop and I go to supplements, I think it shows his brand name. Yeah, it's Ancient Nutrition up here. So he could have shirts that say Ancient Nutrition that would probably help him market and make some money at the same time if people really raving fans of him. So that's really the purpose why I added that here. And so just like my tools are like the Aweber, the Get Response, all that stuff, the essential oils are like the peppermint oil, the lemon oil, and lavender. So you can see the relations between the two. So how can you categorize the different problems within your niche, and then how can you create different offers under those different problems? And that's really what I would like you to do within this video. And then the next video, what we're going to do is we're actually going to start running traffic. Finally, I'm going to pick an offer. My business partner, Paulo Barroso, a lot of you guys don't know a lot about him. He's created a multiple 7-figure income using email marketing. One of the fastest ways to get results is through solo ads. So he's going to be teaching you about solo ads. We're going to run solo ads live over the shoulder to one of the offers over here. Okay, so we're going to run traffic to one of these. It might be ClickFunnels, it might be FunnelX ROI, it might be Entra, and you can feel free to follow exactly what it is that we're doing. Again, if you're in a different niche, then apply these teachings, these ideas, these concepts into that niche. So again, one last time, the homework: figure out the categories within your niche. If you were to take your niche and break it down into categories and then products, and then topics for those products, which we'll get into the topics later, but at least, the categories and then the actual products. If you can do that and create a mind map like this, that will be your homework. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Actually, my business partner, Paulo, will see you in the very next video, where he's going to go over traffic generation, email marketing, and what to do to get your first results, how to kind of strategically select the right solo ad provider, and all the technical details that go along with that. So you're seeing everything live over the shoulder. Hope you got value from this video. And if you're watching this for free on maybe another platform, whether it's a blog, YouTube, and you want to dive deeper into this 0 to 10K challenge, and you actually want to go with us throughout this whole entire process, not just a little teaser video like this, then feel free to check out the links below. If you're already in, congratulations, and look forward to the next module. Take care.